Consider this example where we are using the flat map method to print the names of side characters, because side character is a string array in the movie object. So we have to use the flat map. Now in this video, we will see an alternative way to do the same using the collectors. So let me comment it and let's remove this one. Now there is a method in the collector that we can use, which is flat mapping, which does the same job as the flat map. If we see the documentation, then we see it receives two input parameters. One is the mapper, which is a function, and the second one is the collector, downstream collector. So the mapper, which is a function, it is used to basically apply that mapping to input elements, which returns a stream of results in the same way that flat map does. And once that mapping has been applied, the downstream collector will be used to collect the elements, because we have to collect and return something. This is a terminal operation. So because the first parameter is the function that will be applied to individual elements, because we have to return the stream, so we can use the same function here, same as the flat map. And the second parameter is a downstream collector, because we have to collect and return. So same as before, we can use collectors.toList, because that's what we were using to collect the elements, to collect the side characters. So instead of calling the flat map and passing it a stream of side characters, what we are doing, we are calling the collectors.flatMapping, passing the same stream and a downstream collector to collect these side characters. So if we run it now, we see the same output. We see a list of all the side characters starting from the Sam here and ending with Mr. Fox. That is the side character of the last movie. So that's how we use collectors.flatMapping. Hope it helps. Thank you.